Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub. And in this video, I'm gonna analyze the news for next week. That means next Monday to Friday. And as per you know that we basically trade on XAUUSD or gold, and gold always connected with United States dollar. So we have to follow precisely USD news. Okay, USD news. Okay, as per XAU, that means gold connected with USD. There is two kind of news comes into the market, and one of them is positive news. Second of them is negative news. And positive news like green 0.5%, green to 45k, and negative news like red 0.5%, red to 45k or minus to 45k. Okay, and if data comes with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive value we will sell gold, why for negative value we will buy gold? Okay, let me explain that. Before that, you have to keep your constant two things, that is gold value is always fixed, that means this is constable value, and constant value, and USD value is always changeable, that means that is variable. Okay, suppose one triangle of gold is equal to 2500 United States dollar. Okay, and if there is 5% inflation, negative 5% inflation comes, that means minus 5% data comes for USD. Okay, that is 5% smaller than that, that means this triangle is 5% smaller than that. In that case, gold is bigger than USD. Okay, that's why we took buy entry for gold. Okay, and suppose plus 5% data come with this USD news, and there is plus 5%, that means this triangle plus 5%. In that case, USD is bigger than gold and gold is smaller than USD, so we can sell gold in that case. I hope you understand. I already talked a lot about the topic. And there is economic calendar from forexfactory.com. You may see that if you visit forexfactory.com, and if we see here, there is no major news on Monday. Let me make it a red. Okay, there is no major news there, and Tuesday, Wednesday, we don't have no major news in these 3 days. Okay, and we have semi major news on Thursday, existing home sales, and in Friday we have some few major news, that means 2 time major news, and semi major news is one more time. There is core PPI, CPI, there is very important news this hour, and there is also PMI news. Okay, so you have to keep your concern on that kind of news. Also, if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, just keep that thing in your concern. And there is more things, there is a few more things without the news. There is mostly 6 things. I will explain them later. I have that on later on this PDF. Okay, so there is more news like Donald Trump tweet, and there is more news from Fed chairman or Fed staffs. They can update any news anytime, so that can be also impact on the gold market. So you have to keep your concern on that issues also. So what you can do, you can simply join our public telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the video description box below. You may follow our telegram channel. We are updating each and every real-time data into our telegram channel, so you may follow them. Okay, so if I want to get back the major factors, why is gold rising up? Okay, like a rocket launcher. Okay, as per you can see, if you especially follow last few months gold data, gold is hiking up. That means each and every day is just breaking all-time high record. So what is the reason behind that? And there is a visualization of that data. Okay, as you can see, there fundamental factors that drive gold price up. Why? And this is analysis from fxbillionarehub.com, and their number one reason is US dollar weakness. Okay, so US dollar getting weaker day by day because of the inflation. So you may know that gold is directly connected with US dollar. So if US dollar weaks, that means negative for US dollar, that means positive for gold. So there is more inflation in United States dollar, that's why gold is going upper more and more. Okay, and as per I said before, there is inflation. Okay, that's why gold is also going up. And another one is number 3 is geopolitical tension. There is lot of geopolitical tension happening around the world, like Russia-Ukraine war, Middle East tension, and recently Afghanistan, that means Taliban and Pakistan's Y ratio is making a huge impact on the gold market. So you have to keep your concern on that also. If there is any new wave started somewhere around the world, gold price will hike up, because a lot of geopolitical tension will work behind that. Okay, so another reason is banking related reason. That means number 4 is low interest rate. Okay, low interest rate more gold make gold more attractive. That means if low interest, if investor get low interest with United dollar, they just withdraw their money with dollar and just buy gold, because there is lot of profit coming right now into gold pair. So they're just selling currency like USD, euro, and buying gold. Okay, and central bank buying, there is number 4, and this is central bank buying. That means some of central banks, like some of countries central bank are losing their faith from what, from United dollar. So they just taking their reserve as just taking gold as their reserve. Okay, if you lose your trust on United dollar, you will find out another more stronger reserve option. So this can be gold, and central bank are trying to keep their reserve with gold, okay, instead of dollar. Okay, and another reason is economic uncertainty. Okay, investors, this is number 6, investors are trying to find out safest investment haven. So they think gold is more safer than United dollar, so they're just buying gold instead of United dollar. And this is 6 major thing why gold are rising up, why gold is breaking all-time high record every day. This is the main reason. Okay, so you have to keep that kind of concern in your mind while you are trading in gold. So I will update a lot of analysis, a lot of things in weekdays into our public telegram channel, t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. You may join there. If you join there, you will see already in last week and past few days we updated a lot of things into our telegram channel. So I wish you will join that there, and you will get benefit from there, and that is completely free. Okay, so that's for now. I hope all things is clear now. Mr. Boom signing out.